How to fix Roblox, your purchase failed because something went wrong. Here's what you want to do. Load up Roblox, and then you want to click on more in the bottom right corner. From here, we will need to go into the settings. Now choose payment methods and just verify your card. So you want to make sure that your card information is correct. So once you have verified your card, then what we can do is proceed to the next step. We will go into settings here, and you want to search for iPhone storage. Once you search for iPhone storage, you want to click on the option here, and you want to locate Roblox. So I'm just going to sort it by name and go down to R. So I'm just going to go and do that. Find Roblox, and you want to click on Roblox and then offload the application. Once you have offloaded it, then it is going to give us the option to reinstall. So we're just going to click on reinstall, and this is basically going to verify the integrity of the files. And this should fix the issue with your purchase failing. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.